Today we will be demonstrating projectile motion by means of a potato gun. Through several trials, we shot a projectile several different times to see which would go the farthest. We predicted that a projectile launched at a 45-degree angle would give the best horizontal distance. Here we will explain why. In this scene, we launched a projectile at a 75-degree angle. As you just saw from that clip, the ball was launched from a very high angle, resulting in a very steep parabola. This is because with a higher or bigger vertical component, the ball will travel a more or higher vertical distance. Okay, so we just saw the ball launched at 75 degrees. Let's take a look and see what happens when the ball is launched at 60 degrees. As you just saw, it was quite similar to the ball launched at 75 degrees. This ball launched at 60 degrees had more of a horizontal component than the one launched at 75 degrees. Therefore, it went a greater horizontal distance. Now we're going to take a look at what happens at 45 degrees. Now keep in mind that when launched at 45 degrees, it has equal amounts of vertical component and horizontal component. What stops the ball from traveling a horizontal distance is gravity. Since we have equal amounts of force going in the vertical and horizontal direction, it should leave the ball more time to stay in the air to travel a farther distance. Through that demonstration, we just saw the projectile launched at a 45-degree angle get the greatest distance. Next, we will be seeing a projectile launched at a 30-degree angle. Now keep in mind, even though this has a greater horizontal component, it still will not travel the maximum horizontal distance. This is because the time that it takes for the ball to drop is much shorter, so it will hit the ground way before the ball did that was launched at 45 degrees.
Dan, can you run out there and get the ball?
It's gonna get hit.
Alright, Dan, stop. Just.
The same is true for 15 degrees. Although it has even a greater horizontal component than 30 and 45 degrees, it still will not go far because it doesn't have enough lift. You have more lift through a better vertical component, but the vertical component is very low. So therefore, we will have a shorter horizontal distance.
The first ball, which was launched at 75 degrees, landed here. This is where the last ball landed. It was shot at 15 degrees. This one was shot at 30 degrees, and that one was shot at 60. And then the last one way over, the ball hit here at 45 degrees. Get.
We can conclude through our demonstration that projectiles shot at the same initial velocity and varying angles will result in different horizontal distances. This has been an episode of Physics in Action. Thank you and good night.
We're just doing a physics project. That's alright.
Potato gun?
Yeah.
You have Yeah, just as long as there's no noise and you don't hit anything.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't see a problem about it, but if I get a complaint from somebody, then you guys gotta
Okay.
shut it down.
Thank you. All right, thank you.
As long as it's clear of sight.
All right, thanks. Bye.